right now. As you're watching this, another you just decided to scroll past this video, and another you, they're the one who made it. Every choice, every moment, potentially creating infinite realities. And here's what's insane. Some of the world's top physicists actually think this is happening. Stick with me for the next minutes, and you'll never see reality the same way again. For centuries, we called it the universe, literally meaning one verse, everything that exists. But what if everything we know, every star, every planet, every person who ever lived, is just one bubble floating in an infinite cosmic ocean? The same math that predicts your GPS location also suggests our reality might be just one of infinite realities. So let's dive in. But fair warning, once you see this, you can't unsee it. Picture this. You're at a coffee shop. Latte or cappuccino? Tiny choice, right? According to quantum mechanics, both happen. The universe literally splits. One you drinks the latte, another you. The cappuccino. This isn't philosophy, it's physics. It's called the many worlds interpretation. Remember that job you didn't take? That person you never asked out? In quantum mechanics, those choices, they all happened, just not here. It means regret? It's pointless, because somewhere you made the other choice. And that version of you might be regretting not living your life. Mind blown. Yet, but quantum mechanics isn't the only road to the multiverse. Let me paint you a different picture. Imagine reality as an infinite bubble bath. Each bubble, that's a universe. They form, they pop, new ones appear, forever. Here's where it gets wild. Each bubble has different rules. In our bubble, gravity pulls just right for stars to form. But in the bubble next door, maybe gravity's stronger. Everything collapses into black holes. Another bubble? No atoms at all. We exist because we're in the Goldilocks bubble. Not too hot, not too cold, but just right. Scientists call this the cosmic lottery. The odds of our universe having the perfect conditions for life? 1 in 10 to the power of 120. That's a 1 with 120 zeros after it. For comparison, there are only 10 to the power of 80 atoms in our entire universe. So I ask you, did we win the ultimate lottery? Or are there just... Notice how Hollywood's obsessed with multiverses lately? Marvel, Rick and Morty, the Spider-Verse. There's a reason. We're sensing something profound. MIT physicist Max Tegmark takes it even further. He says, if math can describe it, it exists somewhere. That means somewhere, Hogwarts is real. The Matrix is happening. Your favorite video game? That's someone's actual life. Sounds crazy? Well, 100 years ago, so did the idea that time could slow down. Now your GPS has to account for it, or you'd be miles off course. But here's the question that keeps me up at night. Science isn't the only one asking this question. Thousands of years ago, someone already had the answer. The Hindu Bhagavata Purana, written 2,000 years ago, says, there are innumerable universes besides this one. They move about like atoms. Universes moving like atoms. Sound familiar? They called each universe a Brahmanda, a cosmic egg, infinite eggs in infinite waters. Buddhist texts describe countless world systems. The Avatamsaka Sutra says, in each atom exist vast oceans of world systems. Here's what gives me chills. Ancient mystics, using meditation and intuition, arrived at the same place modern physicists reach through math. Different paths, same mountain peak. So maybe the real question isn't, are we in a multiverse? But how did they know? All right, let's get real. Not everyone buys this. Team Multiverse says, look at the evidence. The universe is too perfect. Quantum mechanics demands it. The cosmic microwave background shows bubble collision marks. Team Skeptic fires back. Can you test it? Can you visit another universe? No? Then it's not science, it's fancy guessing. Here's the thing, both sides have a point. The multiverse solves massive problems in physics. But if we can't test it, is it science or philosophy? Nobel laureate Steven Weinberg once said, "The multiverse may be the most important idea in modern physics or the most dangerous." So where does that leave you and me? Forget the physics. Let's talk about you. Amanda Gefter, a science writer, once asked, "If parallel universes exist, is Mom still alive in one of them?" Her mother had died of cancer. The multiverse gave her comfort. Somewhere her mom never got sick. But it also haunted her. If her mom exists elsewhere, what does grief even mean? Every fight you've had, there's a universe where you apologize first. Every opportunity you missed, another you took it. Every regret, it went differently somewhere. Does that free you or trap you? Here's what I've realized. Even if infinite versions of you exist, this version, watching this video in this moment is unique. In all of infinity, this exact configuration of atoms, thoughts, and experiences happens once. Maybe that makes this moment infinitely precious, or maybe it makes it infinitely meaningless. That choice, that's yours to make. So here's my challenge to you. Drop a comment. If you could meet another version of yourself, what would you ask them? And if this bent your brain in the best way, hit subscribe. Next week, we're asking an even wilder question. What if reality itself is a simulation? And trust me, that rabbit hole goes deep. Look, whether we're in one universe or infinite ones, here's what matters. Right now in this universe, you and I just shared 12 minutes exploring the biggest questions existence has to offer. And in the vast cosmic dance of infinite possibilities, you chose to be here.